In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import and export Shopify themes using the 2021 method. This is a super handy skill if you're looking to refresh your store's look or save your current theme for future use. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up your web browser and head over to Shopify. Once there, make sure you're logged into your account and navigate to your store's homepage. This is your command center, where you'll have access to all the essential features Shopify has to offer. On the left-hand side of this page, you'll see a menu. In this menu, find and click on the option labeled Online Store. This will direct you to the section where all your website themes are managed. Once you're in the Online Store section, you should see a tab at the top marked Themes. This is where we'll be doing all our work today. From here, let's locate the button that says Import Theme and give it a click. Importing a theme is a great way to bring a fresh look to your store. If you have a theme file handy, you can upload it here and apply it to your store in just a few simple steps. Next up is understanding the drop-down bar. When you click on this, you'll be presented with several options regarding your themes. This is where you can choose to download the current theme file. So if you're working with a theme that you might want to back up or edit at your convenience, this feature is invaluable. Simply select Download Theme File, and Shopify will begin preparing a zip file of your theme. This file includes all the necessary components to recreate or transfer your theme to another store, or simply save it for safekeeping. Once the download is prepared, you'll be given the option to send the file via email. Click on Send Email and pop in the email address where you'd like to receive this file. This step is crucial if you're planning to work on your theme offline or share it with someone else like a designer or collaborator. Double-check your email address to ensure that the file gets to you without a hitch. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through importing and exporting themes on Shopify, ensuring that your website can stay as unique as it is functional. Remember, keeping a backup of your theme is always a smart move because it allows you to safeguard your hard work and creativity. Whether you're swapping to a new style or preserving your current one, these steps are sure to keep your Shopify store looking its best. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.